So these are all the important concepts we learned as part of trigonometric functions. We learned that sin x is opposite by hypotenuse, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan is opposite by adjacent. And we know that cosecant is inverse of sine, secant is inverse of cosine, and cot is inverse of tan. So in this formula sheet that I have maintained, I have recorded all the important things that we have learned. So please save this video or pause the video and write down yourself so that it's easier for you to solve other problems. So these are the trigonometric identities we learned. After that, we learned trigonometric angles and trigonometric functions at different angles. So basically sine of minus x is minus sine x and all the other things that I've noted down here. So please take a note of this. You can pause the video and then take a look. Then we learned what happens to trigonometric functions in different quadrants. In the first quadrant, all the trigonometric functions are positive. Second one, sine and cosecant are positive. In the third quadrant, tangent and cotangent is positive. And in the fourth quadrant, cosine and secant is positive. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.